Hello and welcome back to another video. This is the second of three of the Ice Planet 2002 series, but part of a bigger journey that I'm going on through 1990s Lego sets. This is set 1731, released in 1994. As you can see, it's tiny. It's got 13 regular parts, which are checked. No alternative parts put in there, no extras, and one minifigure. So we'll have a quick look at the manual, build it, and then I'll do a mini review at the end. Shouldn't take as long for this one at all. So looking at the manual, you've got some fold lines in the manual, fairly creased. The front is literally how to build the minifigure, and then the rear is how to build the vehicle. Just folds and creases, no tears. So let's crack on. Our figure is one of the, it's just called an Ice Planet male, and we'll put that there. It's the black trousers with the blue waistband, a pretty cool black and silver torso with the is it the Ice Planet? Yeah, Ice Planet logo, we'll call it, in the center with the blue hands. Then he has the white air tanks, followed by his head. So he's got this rather fancy fringe, and then on the top it's the white helmet with the neon visor with kind of aerial on it. So that's the figure, and then we'll just get into the tiny little did I say what it was called? If I didn't, it's called the the Ice Planet scooter. So now we'll get onto the scooter. So you know, very small build, just one of these, a couple of let's say thrusters for this one, piece on the front, piece to the rear, and a couple of the claws at the back, and I'm going to pop this together. So that is with, it's not going to matter which way that goes on, it's just one of your hinged pieces, and that's going to sit like that, so it hinges forwards towards him. The usual Ice Planet control panel. Then I always call this, well, it's either, for me it's either a loudspeaker, or I generally associate it with having something on the end and being kind of a space gun. So in this context, some kind of space cannon. On the other side, the chainsaw, and then we've just got the rear, which should have been on that last bit, is the grill, just to keep everything together. And then we'll pop him, he's sat down in his Ice Planet scooter. So pop that down, flip this over, build complete in literally a matter of minutes. But nice if you have the larger set and you just want something to add, or maybe just a starter, you know, maybe you just want one item from each set and you don't have a lot of room. So we'll go into the review. We are talking palm sized, which is always quite sweet when something is that small. So as you can see, there's not too much to offer. You've got one tool on one side, your weapon or your gun or whatever. You know, the fact that leans in a little bit, it gives it a bit more you know, something to it rather than just putting it flat on there, so that's nice. Coming round again, just the boosters and a chainsaw, because in one of the images we see them off with the chainsaw, and at the rear to the thrusters. So not much to it. I think what I would like about this one is just the fact that it's palm size, it's quick to build, and you can add it into a little set. And you know, even though it's called a scooter, I would use him as kind of a bit of a scout out and about, just exploring ahead of the main units that come with it. But yeah, that's it. That was the Ice Planet scooter, released in 1994, 13 parts, one minifigure, as part of the Ice Planet 2002 series. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out. And until the next one, all the best, take care, and see ya.